A twin brother okuyena omshayela ucingo mangabe izinto zingahambi kahle kwakho with your husband, only to find ukuthi uhusband wakho ngoba ebuya nyamalale nje ingoba uthandana with your twin brother.
The Liftoff, non-Jeff Zwane, 9 to 12 p.m.
Ncami. Ngiyaphila ngaze ngakubiza kabuhlungu. Ya ngiyaphila. Ya Ncami.
Ngiright njani?
Sure.
Ngiright ukwazi usigaxa.
Lalela. In capital letters Ntombi.
Hayibo. Hayi mina nje sisunje into engayisho nje kuBrad. Ngingathi mina akashiye phansi nje lento le. Because lento is very painful. Ilento ifana ukuthetha your best friend. Umngani wakho ayikho into kamxoxela yona intathi emshadweni wakho uyabuza ukhala kuyena and after that uyabetray uthatha umyeni wakho. So lento ibhlungu kakhulu and kwesiphathi kuguy bangama twins nosisi bayigazi eli1 and nomndeni wakhe awu accept lento le. Kuma uzonda usisi wakhe umndeni wakhe akazuzwana naye. Into engayisho nje ubrother akafocus kunkosikazi wakhe ayeke lento ayenzayo ngoba end of the day ukanyeza mthizela next.
But I it's difficult for me, but I have to play devil's advocate Nomagunje, right? This is a 15-year relationship that we are just asking the twin brother to kind of let go of. 15 years agiyona oyinsango.
Yeah, 15 years ayona. Wena 15 years uyenza kanjani into efanele for 15 years uchithela ubetray swakho.
Okay, got you. Also, this makes me wonder ukuthi uma le relationship under carpet yaqala kusaswe high school. Kushuthi umuntu owachithelwa la kahlehle uye lo twin brother osesibhalele.
Yes.
Because kushuthi wasuka lo uhusband wayoshela usisi ebekhona lo.
Yes.
Uyayibona leyo nto le?
Uyena lo. Futhi manje kunzima ngoba ugeli uhlezi uzusapho uhlezi emkhalivini sebusuku amfonele behle ndawonye cabanga nje leso sibindi bese awusoshaya na uthathe na unembe khona na uzusoma uyakhala bagonene bona bakuyi happy.
Cha phela uyamshaya uThashi ingake sesibhalele nje.
Hayi ngeke nje sesibengayisho nje kuBrad akayeke first uzomthola umaqondane.
Yeah. I believe the same. Ayikho lento la, ayikho lento ozama ukuyakha la. Uyasibeka isitini siyaphephuka futhi. Thank you so much for your call, Ncami. I've also got Usthe here. Etrecht. Hello.
Hi, Joseph.
I'm good. How's it?
I'm good. Yo, it's a pick inzima, but as much as go 15 years relationship. Enye into kumele sikhumbule ama twins laba abantu and umuntu oyi1.
Okay.
Nginabantu engibaziyo. Okay fine, laba engibaziyo kwakuyi sex A1. Ama twins both angama females. Lo oyi1 waze wa divorce because usisi kwashada oyi1 and then lo nomunye wayejwayela ukuvakashela usisi.
Yo.
Waze wa divorce because uhusband wayesefola for the other twin.
Yo.
Because obviously it will umuntu oyi1 at the end of the day.
Well, look, not really. Bangaba umuntu oyi1 in terms of physical similarities, but they're different people.
But what I can tell you, noma ngathiwa uyashiya ehambe usisi ayothola a boyfriend enye bazolandelana.
The Liftoff, non-Jeff Zwane, 9 to 12 p.m.